Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I just got my tyres done back there. Shout out to Only Fangs. I'll leave his link down in the description again. You probably would have seen him from my video of that Let's Ride with his street triple. He let me ride his 660. That was a lot of fun. So he just did my tyres for me because they were getting pretty worn in. Beast. So I need some fuel. I'm probably heading back home now, but I need to head through the city, so I thought I'd just turn the camera on and record it because I got new tires on and it's good. Like, it's actually really good because I got about, how many? 8,500 kilometers out of the other ones because I pretty much got the spike from stock, brand new, zero. So feels good. It feels like the tire is like, oh, I just feel like taller almost because there's like more tread on it. Feels good though. Definitely want to wear it in a bit though, just to get comfortable with it. I'll give you guys a look when we stop over at the fuel station so you can see the new tires, because the tread before was pretty much all gone in the middle. On the sides it was still fine, but yeah, in the middle it was pretty much, it was really balding. So that's just a reminder to everyone watching this, check your tires and don't wait for too long because you never know. Like, a lot of cars, it's okay because they're on 4 wheels, but for bikes you only got 2 wheels, you know. So if you're taking a turn and your tires aren't too good anymore, chances are you're going to take that turn and slide out. So just be careful. But yeah, they feel really nice though. Oh, I haven't even mentioned what tires I got. I've gotten the tires that I already had on my last set, which I got from stock because I like them so much. They were the Bridgestone Battle Axe S22s because they've done me well for the last 8,500 Ks, and I think they're pretty good. They're pretty good as well. So the fact that they came stock on my bike already was pretty nice, and I like them all the way. So I never had any issues with them. And yeah, I just thought I'd get them again. It's a Saturday morning out here today, 9 AM. I don't have much on the agenda today. Just really want to get home and edit a lot more. I did want to mention for you guys to keep your eyes peeled on the channel because me and the boys will be going go-karting soon. So I think that's going to be a really cool video. I hope it all turns out well. We haven't gone yet, but we're going in the next week or so, so it should be good. Yo, and another thing, whether you have an Apple device or an Android, I'm sorry for our Android users, you should probably just stop listening at this point, but for my Apple users out there, if you've got an iPhone, have you updated to iOS 16 and how do you find it? Because I think the wallpapers that you can do now are pretty cool, because I've seen some of the new wallpapers that you can do with iOS 16, and I think it's becoming a bit of a trend on TikTok. Ooh, I need to decide which way am I going to go, into the city or... We'll go the back way, we'll go through the highway. I think it'll be faster. I need to get fuel at some point though. I can't remember what I was saying now. Damn it. Oh yeah. That's right, I remember now, iOS 16. But why I bring that up is because I've got a bunch of highlights on my Instagram page. So, what I want some of you guys to do, go head over to my Instagram and check out that highlights reel. And if you make a wallpaper using one of my photos, send it to me or tag me in it whenever, like if you post it or something, I'll repost it because I want to see what wallpapers might look like. Oh, I see you, buddy, I see you. What are you doing there? That is a sneaky spot. Naughty, naughty. But yeah, go on my highlights reel and save one of my photos from the wallpapers highlight reel just by like pressing down on the screen and holding it, and then the rest of the Instagram stuff should disappear, and then you should be able to screenshot it, and then yeah, send me your cool wallpapers. Even if you don't put one with me as your background, send me some cool iOS 16 wallpapers, because I want to see what people come up with. They're pretty cool. I'm surprised by, and I'm not like mad about it in any way or shape or form, because I'm actually really glad that people are offering me the opportunity, but I'm really surprised that so many people have let me ride their bike in the recent few weeks, and it's been really fun. I've been able to experience a lot of different bikes within such a short span of time, and that was sort of the goal. So yeah, I want to keep doing that, but I thought I would just chuck the camera on today because, again, I wanted to see how the tires felt, sort of record my experience, and yeah, they do feel really good, obviously, as they should, being a new tire set. And yeah, they just make you feel like a bit taller. I was surprised. I didn't think I would feel taller up, but obviously with the tire tread being a bit more sharper and not bolder, if that makes sense. But it's a pretty good morning. Thankfully, it was raining yesterday when I had to go to work, which is not always fun when you have to ride your bike to work because you don't have a car, and God forbid I ever take public transport again in my life. I can't do it anymore. I used to do public transport while I was in high school, and whilst I was out of it as well for a year or so, but after that, that was like one of the main reasons why I got a motorcycle, was so that I never have to take public transport, because that just took so long and I didn't want to have all those stops, and it was also just really expensive. Like, it ended up costing you about, I had to go into the city back then every day of the week, and it ended up costing me like $60 to $80 AUD like every week, and I was like, I'm pretty much paying for fuel at this point. Like, I could just drive in. Then you get a motorcycle and then it's like, what, $10-20, and you get free parking in the city. Like, what's not to love about it? Plus it's a lot of fun as well. Yo buddy, don't be speeding there. There's a camera right there. That's a new spot. I haven't seen that one. Damn, they are out on a mission today. So many cameras. Everyone seems to be in a hurry today. Good thing is now is that I can actually finally go back to the mountains, because I've been trying to avoid them because of my tires. I've just been a bit worried. I don't want to slide out, like I said. So expect some content back out at the mountains again. You guys have probably seen that I've changed my upload schedule. I'm trying something different now. Usually I used to do like post everything on the weekend, so like 3 videos on the weekend, and then also that guy's loving it. That guy was like, I don't know if you can see him in the video feed. geez, I desperately need fuel. It's flashing on me now. Yeah, so instead of that original upload schedule, I pushed everything out on the weekend. I've spread it out now throughout the entire week, so let me know in the comments down below if you like that. Prefer that more? You know, maybe you prefer that more, maybe you prefer everything on the weekend. I don't know. I'm just trying something different, and hopefully I don't get too stressed out about posting and all that, but yeah, should be fine. Also, leave a comment down below if you ride any sport bikes or naked bikes. What tires do you run on your bike? Because yeah, like I said, I've got the Bridgestone Battle X S22s, and they've done me pretty well. So let me know if you run any like road 5s or 6s, or you know, whatever else there is for the range out there. I don't know too much about tires. Okay, let's fuel up. Now, will they let me fill up with my helmet on? Sorry, the bike is a bit dirty, but yeah. The tread looks a lot better. The front wasn't that bad in the first place, but the back definitely was. So that before the tread, this was pretty much non-existent. Only like the very end of these rivets was showing actual tread still, but the front was pretty much looked like this. It was completely flat, but the sides looked good, so I'm pretty happy with it. Probably gonna go home and wash my bike and edit more videos, but I'm gonna fill up. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.